as Mr. Beast. And why this YouTuber behind me? Because if you touch it, you're gonna keep it. Wait for an hour. You guys keep it! Yay! Yay! Oh, I don't want this game. You lose, bro. Lose, bro. Oh. I want DJ. I am DJ Lobster and I lose. I'm so sad, but I'm here. So I am. I should speed R. I am Air Rap. I am DJ Lobster. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. Oh. And I'm KSI. This is gonna take me so long. You lose too. Oh. I should speed you lose too. Or. I hate you, Mr. Beast. Okay, bye bye. Why is it taking me so long? I don't want to play this game. Why is it taking me so long? I'm gonna go out. And the winner is DJ Lobs Turbo. Yay! Did I keep it? Yes. Oh, I can keep it. Wow. I can keep it, guys. Wow. Do I believe I can fly? Ooh, hey. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.